So this is the southern part of the Nadiwale Yantra. So let's discuss about its working. So this southern part is used to measure time after noon, that is from 12 noon to 6 p.m. So after solar noon, the sun rays falls on the southern curved surface on this yantra. The illuminated spot moves across the afternoon hour, markings engraved on the southern side. So by observation, the position, the post-noon time is determined accurately. It functions when the sun shifts towards the southern part of the sky. So here in this, the southern part, here we can see this a bigger dial. So here we can see that this bigger dial here is divided into 24-hour segment, and each hour segment is divided into 12 minor segments of 5 minutes each, and each 5-minute segment is further divided into even smaller segment of 1 minute each. So here this radius of the outer circle is 26.5 centimeter. Here each triangle in the circle is of 15 degrees angle. So here the radius of this outer circle is 26.5 centimeter, and here the each triangle is divided into 15 degrees angles. And now let's see the working of this model. So here we can see that sunlight falls on this Norman, this making a shadow here, and with the help of this thread we can see that this is a making an angle of 305 degrees here, and this lines representing the time here. So here we have this shadow is in between these two lines, which is representing that the time is 2:30 p.m. here. So in conclusion, we say that the Nadiwale Yantra is the perfect example of how astronomy, mathematics and architecture were combined in ancient India. Thank you.